There's the little pond that everyone's been asking for an update on. I just like randomly, someone gave me some of this water lettuce and I put like one little piece in here and it absolutely took over the pond and the duckweed. And I haven't even had a fountain on this thing. The DIY pond filter that I had on here was actually working really good, and then I think a storm like knocked it over and I took a lot of the fish out. I just hadn't put it back together, but it actually was working. It was actually keeping the water really clean. But now that all this water lettuce and duckweed is in here, I actually been keeping it really clean too. Now I think there's fish in here. I'm honestly not even sure. They've been eating the duckweed and stuff. But I mean, it's crazy how this stuff just took over. But I want to get this thing up in operation again. Pretty sure there's like 3 or 4 goldfish in there, maybe some creek chubs. I don't even know what all's in there. I haven't seen any fish dying. Bonnie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Sit. Good girl. Good girl. You Paul. You're crazy. What are you doing? So yeah, I mean, I guess the fish could have potentially died and just could be under this crazy mat of floating water lettuce, but pretty sure I saw them eating not too long ago, and it actually feels really cool. It's crazy because it's like 90 degrees out here, but this water feels cool because this is keeping all the heat off of it. But I know that isn't enough. I can't just hope that the fish continue to live because of the vegetation, which it has been working out so far, but it's not a good idea. So I got this right here. Ordered this baby off Amazon. Gonna see if this thing even works. Hopefully it does, and hopefully gets us a good little bit of water flow. So what this is it's actually a lot smaller than I was thinking it was gonna be. I don't know how I feel about that, but man, it is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. We're gonna send it though. This is a solar powered water pump. Look at that. It's a pretty good solar panel. We're gonna see how she works. Now this is probably gonna be temporary because like that is a crappy little filter, but honestly the plants are filtering it so well, this might actually work. The plants are keeping it clean as long as I only keep a couple fish in here. But what is nice about this is I should be able to just like suction cup this in. What I'm gonna do is suction cup this thing like down in the water right here. Put that right there. Oh, we don't want to get that wet though. We just suction cup that to the side here. I got this tube which I don't know that we need, but I'm gonna try and get to like, you know, spit the water in somewhere so there's like a little water flow. We can like bring this back around here. I probably should hide this more. We're just gonna send it like right there for now. And then hopefully, got the solar panel. This connects to this. It provides it with power, hopefully. It's already trying to work. It is. It's already working. That's instant. That's actually really impressive. All I do is turn this around where it's facing the sun. And it's already like providing a really good steady flow actually. That's insane. I don't know if this is gonna quite be enough. It's definitely better than what I got now. If I got like 2 or 3 more of these, this would be great. This thing's only costs like, it was like 20 bucks, something, 30 bucks, something like that. Comes with all these little guys. I don't think I need these for anything. I think these are just like spigots so you can have like a fountain. I don't really care about a fountain. On a cloudy day, this isn't gonna work because I turned it back over and it stopped pumping already. I put this thing on. There we go, we got it. And there was like a spike right here, like that. Do I want it that way though? I guess it doesn't matter. She's going. I think we need to tilt that more to the sky. There we have it. I've tilted too far now, let's say. There we go. Pumping water. It's working. That water is actually crystal clear too, and that's from the plants. Look how clear that water is. Last summer it was so green. Crystal clear now. Definitely gonna have to mount that somehow. But I mean, there you go. Got water flow, actually strong water flow. I'm actually blocking right now. Look at that. Dang DIY stock tank pond is still going strong. I honestly highly recommend getting some of this water lettuce because it is keeping this water clean. It's kept the fish alive. I mean, it's pulled enough nitrates out that it's kept the fish alive in here. It does take over though. Like it completely takes over is the only thing. But other than that, it's pretty awesome. There we go. I'm probably gonna make this a little better and hide the tubes and stuff a little better. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna get this position better. That thing is streaming good. Like when I'm not blocking this, which that's a pretty good sized solar panel. When I'm not blocking it, that thing is going. Like that's actually way better than I thought it would be. I'm actually really impressed with this. Anyways, I'm gonna get this kind of hidden better so it looks a little more aesthetic. And then this video is not gonna be over because I actually have to catch a big channel catfish that's in one of my fish tanks that I've been honestly neglecting because I've been traveling so much. The tank's pretty dirty. He's outgrown the tank. When I say pretty dirty, actually the tank's downright disgusting, I'm not gonna lie. But I haven't been home. Just been like throwing a bunch of minnows in there and then going on the road, and he's been, you know, for the most part happy, but he's outgrown the tank. So I think I'm gonna release him one of the local ponds. Catching him out of that tank is going to be insane though. He's probably going to break the tank. So yeah, let me get this situated and then stay tuned for that. Yeah, so it's pretty much hidden. Can't really see it now. Obviously you can't hide that because it needs sunlight. I think that's going to make the fish a lot happier than they were. Might even get a couple more of these. They work so well. I get like a little waterfall thing over there where it fills up and flows over. I think that'd be pretty cool. I probably will do that. It'll look good, like something you just hang on there. Best part is that I don't have to plug anything in. I used to have to have an extension cord running from all the way down there all the way up, and don't have to do that. Electric bill's not going to go up. Just way better. Only thing that sucks is the pump's small, but you could get a bigger one. I went the cheap route, so I only have like 3 fish in it right now. And because the plants have been doing such a good job keeping it clean and keeping the nitrates down. All right, y'all, so I already know you're gonna judge me. Like I said, I've been traveling a lot. This tank's pretty disgusting. That's why, you know, I've already got most of my tanks broken down, so I'm probably gonna be moving. This one's still got water in it. Actually, this one still has water in it too, but it hasn't been fishing there forever. I'm trying to sell that one, actually. Believe it or not, there's a giant catfish in here, and I have to get him out and release him into the pond. This is gonna be insane because he's big and he's mean, and he's gonna try and bust up the tank. So I'm probably gonna drain a lot of the water out first. And like I said, go to judgment. I know that tank looks disgusting. It's actually not as bad as it looks. A lot of stuff's still on the, I mean, the water's murky, don't get me wrong, but a lot of that's just like brown algae that's on there too. So it makes it look worse. But yeah, I have been neglecting him, which is why I'm gonna release him into the wild. I bought this guy when he was like 2 inches long, and he's, I don't even know how long. Maybe we'll measure him and see. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of some of this water. Man, that dead water does look so freaking gross. I'm gonna get rid of some of this water. Once it's lower where I think I can catch him better. There he is. I don't know if you guys can see him. He just moved right there. You see, he's pretty freaking big. Yeah, he needs out of there though. He needs a better home. And once I get enough water out where I think I can actually grab him, that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna take him to his new home. I wanna keep the light on here. When I move this out, he's gonna freak out probably. This is where his food usually hides. Dude, that was dirty. Yep, that's pretty gross. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this now that I did that. There was a lot of nasty stuff hiding in that pot. I don't even know if this fish is even gonna fit in here. Like, I literally, he's big. Get a little bit of water in here for him. Now we gotta try and catch this guy. I'm hoping this goes smoothly. I'm honestly not even sure how big this guy is. So I have this net. This is like my normal big net. I don't think it's big enough. Like, he's too big. So actually, I'm gonna use a trout net. See if I can get this guy to cooperate. I got most of the water taken. So I don't think there's really anywhere he can go except for in the net. Oh, I lied. He literally was strong enough to just move the net. Okay, I got him. Oh my god, oh my god, he's huge. He jumped out. This is not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy. Jeez, he is strong. This is crazy. There he is. I mean, it's a full-blown catfish. He's freaking out now. He swam past it again. How dirty the bottom was. That's why we had to get him out of here. He's just swimming right past it. Really don't know how he's doing it. Bigger than I thought. He's somehow shooting past the net. Maybe bigger than I thought. Oh, I got him. Okay. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god, he's huge. He's bigger than I thought he was. He's bigger than I thought he was. How big he is. He's literally bigger than I thought he was. Okay. Let's get you in here, dude. He's in a bucket. He's in a bucket. Wow. That was insane. He's huge. He's absolutely huge. I gotta see how big this fish is. Look at him. I can't believe he's that big. Okay. I actually want to see how big he is, so we're gonna measure him. Probably measure him at the pond. Alright guys, well I'm heading to a little park lake that's literally only like maybe a mile and a half from my house. That's where I'm gonna let him go. I fish it every once in a while, so I might actually end up seeing this fish again. Maybe I'll try and catch him in a few months. He's chilling there in the bucket. Hope he doesn't jump out. We don't have too far to go, so he should be okay, hopefully. I'm going to measure, see how long he is before I let him go. And then we're gonna let him go, and hopefully he'll enjoy his new home. Now I know there are other catfish in his pond. They're all other channel cats. Shouldn't be anything in there big enough to eat him. I mean, he's pretty good size. So, I mean, there's definitely gonna be some channel cats that are bigger than him. But I'm excited to see how long he actually is. Because like I said, when I bought him, he was probably not even 2 inches. Probably an inch and a half long. And now he's however big he is. We're gonna find out here soon. Hopefully he's still doing good. Oh yeah, he's looking good. Looking nice and healthy. Oh, he's pissed. He's not happy. That's gonna be his new home. Gonna be in some murky water like he's used to, so he should be happy. I got this little thing to measure him with. Got a little bump board because I'm curious. I've only had this thing for, I don't know, maybe a year and a half. I don't even think I've had him that long. Probably a year. I've had him for a year. And he's gone from 1.5 inches to however big he is now. It's pretty intense. This right here is as good as any. Let's see how long he is first. All right, let's see. I'm gonna put him right here. Can y'all see me? Try and grab him. Can y'all see me? He's gonna fight me. Oh my gosh, he's gonna fight me. Let's dump some of this water out. Dude, he is way bigger than he should be. He's bigger than... He keeps getting bigger. He just splashed me. I'm like, how big is this guy? I can't believe this guy was in a fish tank. All right, I got him. He is pissed. Look at that. I've caught him way smaller than this before. Let's see how long he is. How long do you guys think he is? Look at that. Oh, if he cooperates, he's almost... I thought he was gonna be bigger than that, honestly, the way he's... But he's about 60. He's almost 16 inches. He's not happy. How crazy is that? Enough torturing him. Let's let him go in his new home. I'm trying to be gentle with him. There's gonna be plenty in here for him to eat. Oh, here, buddy. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for being a good pet. There he goes, guys. He is now a wild catfish. Bought from a pet store. He's definitely not going to be used to how much room he's got. That's going to take him a while. But he's been bought from a pet store, had 1 inch or 2. Now he's a wild catfish. He done made it. He made it out the hood. He made it out the hood. There he goes. It's going to take him a while to get used to his new surroundings because he's not used to having a ton of space. I mean, he's been in a 55-gallon tank his whole life. Poor guy. Should have let him go a long time ago. Possibilities in here endless. Now he could get huge. Pretty cool. All right, guys. Well, I don't know. Maybe I should buy some more and start over. Buy some more channel cats. Keep the tank cleaner this time. Grow them up and then let them go. Have a nice little catfish fishery here someday. Do me a favor, guys, if you've watched this far, comment below the word catfish. But all right, guys, I will see you next time.